Fathom Analytics Team Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Fathom Analytics is a privacy-focused analytics platform that simplifies website performance tracking. Most people get this wrong, assuming analytics platforms are complicated, but the team plan is designed to give clear, actionable insights without overwhelming data. Pricing starts at per month for small teams and scales with the number of sites and page views. The plan includes unlimited team members, real-time analytics, goal tracking, and customizable dashboards. Fathom also respects privacy regulations like GDPR, CISPA, and PECR, so you can collect data without tracking personal information. With the team plan, multiple users can access dashboards, set up alerts for key metrics, and share insights with stakeholders. For example, a marketing team can monitor conversions, traffic sources, and campaign performance while maintaining compliance. Simple reporting and embeddable charts make it easy to communicate results to clients or executives. In conclusion, Fathom Analytics Team Pricing reflects a straightforward, privacy-focused platform for teams who want clear website insights. Investing in this plan ensures your team can track performance effectively, collaborate seamlessly, and respect user privacy at the same time.